Alright guys, so we got the spring, fork tube, frame and subframe loaded up. Getting ready to head to K2 Kustoms and let Kevin take care of all this stuff. So when we get there, I'll introduce you guys to him and let you see a little bit about what he can do. Alright, so we showed up. Kevin's here at K2 Kustoms. We're going to drop off the frame and suspension. No, you're good. So if you guys are local to the area and need anything done, he can definitely take care of it for you. I guess that's the original color. I don't know how close you can get to it.
Okay. But, we can find something real close.
And then this part of the fork tubes right here, if we can leave that bare.
Okay, from
here
up.
Yep.
Okay, I'll throw some tape on it here in just a second, just to mark it.
All right.
And then I'll put heat tape, the high tape, heat tape on there, and yeah. Let's leave that there so I can match that up. That's just some reminder tape there.
Oh yeah.
Might be.
That's close enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's actually, I think, what all the forms.
And that's probably faded, so
yeah. That's 6820. That's usually what they go with on the cow sockets.
That'll work.
Both of these are Cali green, and then we're doing this too, right?
Yeah.
And you want that blue?
Well,
close to that right there.
close to that.
Let's see. To this. See it? Those are like an anodized.
They were, yeah. So I know we're not going to get that look out of, but the closest thing you have to that color.
This right here is actually called anodized blue.
That's perfect.
Okay. I think it'll look good. Now what I do, if you look this up, it'll actually tell you to shoot it over chrome powder coat. Just 100% honest, chrome powder coat is garbage.
Yep.
I won't shoot it. Thing is, you'll still get this right here, but you'll have a little bit of, like a hint of metallic flaking. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Because what it'll do, basically, this thing's been beat to pieces. You see how that has that little bit of flake in that?
Yep.
It'll kind of give it that look. I mean, this is not this actual powder.
Right.
It's something really, really close.
Okay.
But it'll have just a little bit of that metallic flake in it, and it'll hold up a lot better. the chrome you have to do a full cure. So you're basically mitigating the whole reason of sandblasting. You're just laying powder on top of a smooth surface.
Yep.
It tends to want to peel back off.
Gotcha.
So,
Alright, so we got the frame dropped off at Kevin at K2 Kustoms. We're going to start working on some of these parts, see if we can get them cleaned up, ready for assembly before we get the frame back from him. So let's get started working on that. Alright, so Kevin from K2 Kustoms called. It was supposed to have been, you know, a few weeks because vacation, whatever. And it's been like right at a week. And he called me just a little bit ago, said that it was all ready. So we're going to go pick it up and see how good it looks. Dude, that's freaking sick.
probably still have some sand coming out of her.
No, I guarantee
Sand and
it.
dirt and everything else.
Everything else was bedded up in there, but
Yep.
no, hell, you even put damn bolts in it before you did it.
I put plugs in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I couldn't. Man.
Dude, those are freaking awesome.
I'll put it in.
That's nice.
Yeah, I put plugs down in here, taped this off as good as I could all the way up against here.
Yep. No,
I
it's,
thought I got it pretty clean.
that looks great.
Kind of hard where it flares down, tapers down. It's hard
Yeah,
to keep
get
that
the tape
straight.
on there, right?
I ran it all the way down to here, and then I cut it on that, and then I ran another strip up here. So, I mean, there, now this thing's coming out.
Yeah. Sweet. I don't think
There's your old collar.
Yep.
I mean, it's fairly close.
you could put them side by side and not be able to tell the difference.
Oh,
So